Welcome to T8 HQ. So we've got two buildings at 888. We've got the manufacturing building down the road and we've got the race shop headquarters here. So we're going to go for a quick look around and see what we do behind the scenes. One of the most important things I reckon to start the day is when you're walking in here, you want a bit of an amp up of why we come to work. So if we come up here, it should be pretty self-explanatory what I'm talking about. But a nice wall of trophies doesn't go astray of a way to start the day, remind you why you're putting in the big hours. We keep coming upstairs. Thankfully, we've got another trophy cabinet. We come into the kitchen. So this is the most important part of T8. It's not where we design the cars, build the engines, or prep the cars. We're super fortunate to have an on-site chef. So we believe in open plan working here at T8 just to help the communication between all the different departments and even in the individual departments. So come on through. There's always lots happening. So HP sponsor just delivered some new products, so we're getting that all prepped to be dished out. We've got the sim that the drivers jump in pre-event and post-event as well. The engineering design office, so that's where it all starts at T8. It's in the name, 888 Race Engineering. So it all starts with the guys and girls in the engineering department, whether they're designing parts of the car, whether they're doing pre-event stuff, post-event analysis, prepping for setup, designing different components for whether it's T8 Racing or just for the manufacturing part of the business. Okay, then we've got the comms department. Now there's always the arm wrestle. Who's the most important? Is it, they say they get us the cash to go racing. We say we get the results for them to get the cash. In reality, jokes aside, everyone's a critical link in the chain. So comms department, then we have accounts. That's super important. Everyone wants to get paid. Boardroom down the end, or a couple of boardrooms there. That is actually a very integral part of what we do. Your debriefs and pre-briefs are critical in the way we operate. All right, we'll head down to the workshop. We'll actually be doing that in another video because the cars are on the way back from NZ in the shipping containers. We still have all the mechs working hard. There's a lot of other things and moving parts in this building, but in the next video we'll show you downstairs where the hands get dirty.